I am not done. Ugh. I am not done. Okay? I am building this thing, and my camera batteries can die. You know, I don't care. I'm building this. Ugh. I'm using my webcam, and it's like, thank God this cord is long, because it's not really that. What happened? It was perfect when I set it up. Alright, well, that will have to do. Unfortunately. I mean, I could try to move it around, but yeah, I'm using my webcam now, and I am not giving up. No, not giving up. All right, so the graphics card is screwed in place. Says. I think everything, screwing, I think we should plug in this, because it says, before it was saying that, so I think we should move on to this. This is like USB and everything. Yeah, HD audio, okay. Everything's labeled here, by the way. So now we're going to install the buttons on the top, the cords that were basically in the computer. But you guys got to realize that you guys got to realize that I know it's, you may think, oh, it's really difficult to install everything. Look at all these cords. I mean, I know. Reset. Where's the reset? Reset. Trying to find everything. Reset. Where's the reset thing? Here's USB, USB. I'm trying to find, this is the thing, you gotta search for stuff. Power. Well, there's power. There's CPU fan. More power. Okay. This is the part where you grab your instructor manual and you look at everything up. Alright, well, here's a picture of what I need to do. Asus Q... what? It says Asus. It says right here, like, where I'm supposed to... oh, there it is. Okay. I see it. Power ground. Well, hold on. Let me, flatten this. Power SW. Alright, well, power SW is where? Right there. It's written in really small letters. So you kind of have to just bear with it, but that just goes in straight. There we go. That goes in straight like that. Reset. Yeah, reset right there. The color correction means like just really nothing. It's just at the end of where the connection is, it's labeled with what you need to do. So, all right, reset. Eyed LED, really. Power LED. Power LED plus. Plus goes in the back, I think. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me read this. Oh no, they're one pin. Okay. Plus goes straight in like that. Power. Straight in like that. Alright, that's in. HDD. HDD LED goes where? I think you just plug this in anywhere, right? Next, HDD audio, or HD audio. I'm used to HDD. HD audio. Where does it say audio? It's a lot of looking, guys. It's a lot of like trying to find out. Everything is labeled though, you know, so yeah, at least give you that break. There's power fan. Power fan 2. I can't find the HD audio. And this is the AC .97. Again. Well, hold on for a second. This right here is what it does not say. Well, that's fantastic. Anything where this looks like it could plug in? Doesn't look like it plugs in really anywhere. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, this is a USB 3.0? Yeah, must be. It's right here. Alright. The cables and everything, you just gotta clean up when you're done. This is .97. Let's see other stuff here. USB doesn't say. Oh, it's USB 1.0. Okay. USB. Make sure that's in. Hold on. Here, well, must be. Oh, okay, and this is the fan. There's a lot of connections for fans here. The power supply is going to be going to those. Same with this. Okay. I'd still like to find out where this HD audio thing is. Hold on. By the way, just in case you're wondering, the motherboard user guide tells you exactly how to install everything. How much time? Oh, it's only 10 minutes. Okay. The front panel audio connector. Huh? Is that what they're talking about? But that doesn't look like anything. Oh wait, there. It is actually there. It just isn't labeled with the correct one. I'm just making sure because sometimes with PCs, something looks like it can plug into there, but it's not the correct one. It's a lot of fidgeting too. Alright, now that's in there. This itself looks like the same thing, but it's AC97. AC97, where are you supposed to go? No. Huh. They do not have that report here, huh? For my AC97. Well, that actually seems more important than HD audio. Actually, no, HD audio needs it too, huh? That's for my headphones and everything to work, right? And what's AC97? Oh, well, smartphone lookup time. What is AC97 connector? Let's find out exactly what this is. Alright, hold on, loading up. Okay, it's either one or the other. Okay, it's one or the other. Alright, well, that makes me feel better. I thought, okay, great. Alright, so AC audio, that's connected in. Pretty much all the cables are now connected in. We just gotta put the fans, but those are connecting to the power supply. Alright, so after we plug all those cables in, install the PSU or the power supply. Now, here's what I got. Alright, thermal take, 600 watt power supply. You need at least 550 watts to power that graphics card. So, I'm gonna open this. Here's your power cable. So you just set that aside to plug in later. And yeah, when you first get into this thing, you're probably gonna say, that's a lot of cords. Well, hold on for a sec. Let me get this off. Here's your power supply. Alright, that's a lot of cords. Yes, I know, but it's okay. Alright, it's so good. Basically this, take off the sticker first. 115, they have a 115 selection or a 230. I'm just going to leave this on your standard 150. Alright, and basically, yeah, it's just a big empty spot. It's pretty simple where to plug this thing into. You kind of just shove it in there, and it does have screws, which you'll see. Alright, and then that's kind of like off like that. Now, you got this big connection right here, this big one. It's the biggest one, the biggest connection. First of all, you're going to want to unscrew all this. And I know all these cords are going to go everywhere, but we don't really have a choice. So hold on. Alright. Yeah, I know. Oh no. There's cords everywhere. Alright, you'll see on the motherboard there's this big pin selector for that. Just plug that sucker in. And that should just clip in. You'll see it has a little clip. It's almost there, hold on. And it's in there, good. Alright. This is a pretty cool cord. Look, it's kind of red. It has like a reddish thing. Alright, what is this? PCIe. Alright, hold on for a sec. It says PCIe right here. So PCIe. I'm assuming, yep, your graphics card has connections in here, so you need to plug all that in. One sec. Alright, next bit. Oh. I'm trying to find my mouse here. Where's my mouse? Oh.